Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the interactive floor plan feature on the domain application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application. After that you should select property that you are interested in, so just simply tap on it, and after that click on this button at the top of the screen, and here you can find this interactive floor plan feature. If you tap on it you will be able to zoom in and out and check out the floor plan. If you tap on the relevant green spots, you will be able to find several rooms. As you can see, for example, if we tap on this button, it will direct us to the bathroom, so you can see the pictures attached to it. You can zoom in and out, and feel free to check them out. Also, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.